So here we are in Canada, Vancouver, British Columbia, on a nice brisk December morning. Me and Timothy are about to take down this big fir tree. I'm going to try and record most of it on the front of this GoPro camera on my helmet. So what we're going to have to do, we're going to have to run a zip wire to lower the branches down onto the base of the cherry tree over here, and then we are going to remove it through this patch of green land and then round the corner. So a bit longer than we wanted, but hey ho, that's what we've got to do, so we best get on and do it. Right, so here we are, right near the top of the tree. I'm gonna make my fire and anchor point somewhere around here. Unfortunately, I don't have a friction saver or cadmium saver with me today, so I'm just gonna have to put up with the friction and use a bit more muscle. So we're gonna lower off this branch here. So basically, this is the zip line. Fastened on is the micro pulley to slide down. That's then fastened to the branch by a webbing strap, and this line here enables me to pull this whole thing back up to get the next branch. So here we go. Let's wait for Tim. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to pull this rope here, and that will pull this pulley system all the way back up.
Stop for a minute, I gotta work.
And we're ready to go again.
Great.
Okay.
Great. Oh yeah. I gotta work. Doing that work. You can make me great. 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 Oh yeah. I gotta work.
So we're halfway through the day. We've just had a bite to eat. Stripped off maybe 2/3 of the branches, so just got to jump back up there now and try and get the rest of them off to finish the first day, and then we'll be back tomorrow. It's been pretty slow going as I've only got the one groundsman, and it's a bit of a nasty drag, but we'll keep slugging away.
Who you working with and what you working on? For a minute, I gotta work. Doing that work. You can make me great. 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 Oh yeah. I gotta work. Doing that work. You can make me great. 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 Oh yeah. I gotta work.
So here we are, day 2, back to felling the fir tree. So this is where we're at. It's basically just a pole now with just a bit of a top on it. So all we're going to do today is take the top out and then basically piece it down and just drop it right onto this patch here. We don't really need to rig this, but we just got to not smash any of the western red cedar or the laurels because they want to preserve those. So as long as we drop it in this space, we should be alright. So that's it. Let's get rocking and rolling.
Oh yeah. I gotta work. Stop for a minute. I gotta work. Do that work. You can make me break. Oh yeah. I gotta work. Do that work. You can make me break. Oh yeah. I gotta work. Who you working with and what you working on. Stop for a minute. I gotta work. Do that work. You can make me break. Oh yeah. I gotta work. Do that work. You can make me break. Oh yeah. I gotta work. I gotta work.
So this is it, the completed job. Just left a 3 to 4 foot stump up there at the customer's request. We had a bit of help from some of the other guys at work just to move some of the wood at the very end here and a bit of clean up. But that's it, job well done.